Here's a more detailed review for a video. Why I recommend Synergex 7, a game changer for men. If you're someone who's struggled with low energy, decreased libido, or just feeling like you're not quite yourself, Synergex 7 could be the solution you've been searching for. I was in the same boat, feeling sluggish, lacking motivation, and noticing a drop in my performance both in and out of the bedroom. You can find the official product in the first link in the description. After incorporating Synergex 7 into my routine, the changes were noticeable. My energy levels were through the roof, and I was able to regain focus and stamina, especially when it mattered most. One of the biggest benefits I experienced was a huge improvement in my bedroom performance. What's amazing is that it doesn't just help with energy, but it revitalizes your confidence too. I felt like I was in my prime again, stronger, more energetic, and yes, the results were consistent and reliable. Synergex 7 works by targeting the root causes of fatigue and low libido. It addresses the effects of aging and environmental toxins, restoring vitality without dangerous side effects. I could feel the difference in just a few weeks, and I've never felt more confident about my health and performance. If you're looking for a way to boost your overall well-being and get back to feeling like your best self, Synergex 7 has been a game changer for me. Whether it's for energy, stamina, or just feeling more like the man you used to be, I highly recommend giving it a try. Synergex 7 is a natural supplement designed to enhance men's energy, libido, and overall vitality. It's made to support healthy testosterone levels and address the underlying causes of fatigue, low drive, and decreased performance. The formula incorporates ingredients that help combat the negative effects of environmental toxins, restore energy, and improve both mental and physical stamina. Many users report feeling younger, more energetic, and more confident after using Synergex 7, with noticeable improvements in their personal and professional lives. If you're looking for a natural way to regain your vigor, Synergex 7 could be a great fit. Synergex 7 is a natural supplement designed to boost male vitality, energy, and testosterone levels. By incorporating potent ingredients, it addresses underlying issues like fatigue, low libido, and reduced performance. Users have reported feeling more energized, confident, and revitalized after regular use. The product can support mental clarity, physical stamina, and overall well-being. If you're seeking a natural way to reclaim your vitality, Synergex 7 may be the solution you've been looking for. For more information, visit the official Synergex 7 website in the first link of the description.